Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my channel, Skint Living UK. Today I've been shopping at Asda and I picked up a bargain during the week at my local charity shop. I had to go to Asda to get some cat food. She likes these gourmet pearl pouches and they're usually around a £5-ish for 12 pouches. So these are her favourite flavours, so I picked them up today. And while I was there, I had a little look around to see if I could find anything interesting. And I got this dirty great big pizza, pulled pork, barbecue pulled pork, and it should have been £4.93 and it was reduced to £1.82. So I'm going to have that for tea today. My son doesn't like pork, so that means it's going to be mine. So because I got this big pizza, I thought, all right, I'll go looking for some salad. So I got these mixed baby leaf salads. I like a bit mixed leaves, and these were reduced twice to 39p. I think they were about, I can't see the original price. I think it was about 70-80p, so it's about half price. I also found a bag of casserole veg, so I'll use that tomorrow. That was reduced twice to 46p. First to open picking it up. I thought, definitely get used tomorrow. Tender casserole veggies, so they were roughly half price as well. So I'll make something tomorrow with them. I'll defrost some chicken or something, and I might make either a hot pot or something like that, or a shepherd's pie, a chicken and veg shepherd's pie. Well, cottage pie then it would be, wouldn't it really, because shepherd's pie has lamb. I picked up my usual Cheapy coleslaw. This is 50p, so that'll go on the salad leaves. I bought some Cheapy pork pies. These are 95p for 4, so a couple of them make a nice easy lunch without having to really cook anything or do anything. So I'll finish off the salad tomorrow with them for lunch. I also got these Robertson fruity tea cakes, so they'll be for breakfast. I'll toast them with some butter. And they were reduced from 1.38 to 51p, so they'll be nice and yummy with a brew in the morning. And this time of year I absolutely love, because satsumas are out in season. These are £1.7 in Asda. They're probably cheaper elsewhere. I haven't been to Aldi today, but yeah, love me a satsuma. So yeah, overall really good. I'd been to a place in Liverpool called Old Swan, where there's about 6 charity shops. I had a little look. I didn't really find anything interesting. I was just down there anyway, so I thought I'll have a look. And I picked up this pretty daisy trim. So that was £3.50, but they were doing 20% off promotion. There was a sign in the window. So I thought, right, I'll get them, because even if you buy Cheapy trim online, you've got to pay for postage on top. So I thought, well, I'll save the postage and I'll find a lot of use for them. So I've put some on a cushion already. I've just hand sewn them going along. If you look really close, you can see I've just put little light stitches in, so it's not totally down, but down enough. And one of my fabric boxes, I've put some on that as well, and one there where the loop is. So I just thought, they're so cute, really sweet, and a nice little bargain and ideal for crafting. So no doubt, me being me, they will get sewn onto everything. But I just think they're so sweet, and because I like cottagecore or a cottage type look, grandma chic, it sort of ties in with that, doesn't it? Because it's all about nature and making the most of what you've got. So I just thought, yeah, so something plain like this denim cushion becomes a bit more alive, doesn't it? Because it's got the cute little daisies on it, front and back. And I've sewn it along the actual seam of the jeans. So I just thought, yeah, it seemed to be the perfect place to put them. But maybe I could sew them along the zip, because as you can see, my hand sewing's not the best because I've got arthritis in my hands. but you know, have a little go. So yeah, so I'm always looking out for trims and things like that. But years ago, you often used to find bags of them here, there and everywhere. But that's the first bag of trim that I've seen literally in years. So I thought, oh, I can't pass that up. And for £3, I thought, yeah, I can live with that. So let me know if you've picked up any bargains this week. Have you found anything interesting in the charity shops, or have you been the car booty or bought something unusual online? I've just bought some brass weights for weighing scales. The little bell weights are the biggest one's like £1, and I think the smallest one is about an ounce or something like that, a set of 5 or 6, and I'm waiting for them to come. So yeah, they go on the old-fashioned cast iron scales. So I thought, oh, they'll be look lovely up on my shelf over here. And I'm looking for a red set just to break up all this blue on the wall. Do I need them? No, but I want them. I don't know, I get ideas into my head and think, yeah, I'm going to get one of them. Like with the pantry I've been doing, it's like, yeah, I'm doing a pantry. I sort of get into the zone and I sort of run with it. So apparently that's an ADHD thing. You get super focused, hyper focused on something, and you sort of concentrate on that. So that's my excuse for making silly purchases that I don't need. Just feeling a little bit down at the moment, so I thought cheer myself up, and I bought those little brass weights. So as they call it, retail therapy, isn't it? So yeah, are you guilty of retail therapy? I think people tend to do it late at night when they're really hacked off, but I've got no excuse. I did it this morning with breakfast. So yeah, I always have to be awkward, I always have to do it at the wrong time. So if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.